Hi everyone, my name is Amrit chhetri, having student ID number 30358957, currently studying in Federation University. Today I am going to present myself to talk about the basic knowledge about IT strategies and governance, which I have learned through the lecture and lab classes from my tutor, which I have attended in online class. Attending the classes and learning always provides knowledge and good structured ability to evaluate the questions to need to know or can be asked anywhere and anytime. Talking about the IT strategy and governance, it is a formal way to align business strategy using the information technology knowledge. IT governance frameworks provides a structure for aligning IT strategy and business strategy to ensure that IT investment support business objectives. By following a formal framework, organizations can produce measurable results towards achieving the strategy and goals. IT governance helps the organization to comply with regulation related to financial and technological accountability. Here is the picture for IT strategy, which I have downloaded from the Google. Going towards the slide 4, I have written about the information technology in small and medium sized business. Information technology governance in small and medium sized business is a subject that still requires more effort. Many of the studies that deal with this subject refers to large companies. In an environment of high competition, the adoption of information technology IT tools has the power to change the performance and structure of the business. However, small to medium enterprises have limited resources, especially financial, specialized personnel and management capacity. IT governance is a significant idea for IT associations. It centers business organizations utilize distinctive standards and additionally frameworks, and some of them accept that the standards as well as frameworks has helped the association to arrive at higher development levels. Okay, and there are some more about it which are in slide 4. Going towards the slide 5, I have written some performance that is needed by the small to medium company. Proposals addressing continuing normal operation and IT uses risk treatment to support the capability and capacity of organization. Evaluation and effectiveness as well as performance organization system for it IT governance is done regularly. It supports business and make the business protected from loss of data and make it up to date. Risks and obstacles can be learned within the time period with experience. Okay, going to the slide number 6, I have written some vital role of small and medium company, and they are formal SMEs, that is small and medium enterprise, contribute up to 45% of the total employment. That is actually wow. 33% of national GDP is also because of small to medium companies. These numbers are increased if informal SMEs are included to estimate 600 million jobs which will be available in next 15 years, mainly in Asia and Africa. Small to medium companies are more likely to secure bank loans than personal funds to launch initial run. 50% of small to medium company does not have access to formal credit, the financing. Okay, going to the lecture numbers, slide number 7. Information and communication technology is a more extensive term of for information technology. Here I have written about the description about the communication and information technology. So it alludes to all correspondence advancement including the web, remote organization, mobile phones, PCs, etc. ICT can enable this advanced individual and communities to participate in the national and global policy decision that can change their lives and empower them to take actions that can financially, social and political benefit them. These are the issues, and clients must utilize the department's ICT aspect expertly and provide properly consistently. This is just the problem that can be solved. Clients ought to recall that departmental ICT assets are given to staff to business purposes and to upgrade viability and proficiency at work. The department ICT's asset must not be utilized for unlawful, hostile, or any case inappropriate exercises. For instance, this should not be utilized. ICT resources can be used for personal use during breaks if it is not excessive and is within the acceptable use policy. Um, Going towards the slide number 8, um, I have gone through the issues, practice, and technique of IT strategy and governance, and they are IT governance fundamentals, an overview of the key elements of IT governance concepts such as ISACS valid model and big G, little z, moral Z. Fundamentally, the governance of IT is concerned about two things: IT's delivery of value to the business, changing the company project, and the mitigation of the risk running the company, that is IT operation. The first is driven by strategic alignment of IT with the business. The second is driven by embedding accountability into the enterprise. Both need to be supported by adequate resources and means to measure performance to ensure that the results are obtained. Going through the slide number 9, it is self-reflection that I have learned through the whole of this semester in this course, IT strategy and governance, that is 3103. At the base level, IT strategy and governance is one or numerous cycle that empower the IT staff to all the more likely oversee chance and work. It's generally effective to advantage the association overall. IT admission is a cycle that fits solidly under the umbrella of corporate administration, which is its own assortment of cycles that are intended to keep the whole enterprise powerful and proficient. Next, an adaptable system, it tends to be marginally adjusted to suit the business it is being utilized for. In the event that we can ask the business world, IT admission is tied in with overseeing execution for proficiency, be that as it may. If somehow managed to ask the scholarly world, we can say that it produces more about making a responsibility structure to make wanted yield from the IT division. And the slides in here. And lastly, the reference, I have written some of the things from the given references. Thank you.